Hi everyone and welcome. It's Lauren here from Acting Classes in Perth. This is episode number 36 of the Acting Classes in Perth, your questions answered daily show. The show where I'm here to answer all your acting related questions at 7 p.m. every single night, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. Here on Facebook Live and YouTube Live simultaneously. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a great question coming into us today. It comes in from Marianne. But before we get to Marianne's question, I think it's really important we do what we do every show, and let's roll the intro. Alrighty, so today's question comes into us from Marianne. Now, before we jump to that question, I would love to know if you are watching us right now. If you are watching us, give us a big thumbs up. We would love to know you're out there. Leave a comment or ask a question. Or if you don't know what to say, just simply say, "G'day, Lauren. How you going?" And I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Ladies and gentlemen, today's question comes in from Marianne. Let's have a listen.
What is an agent and what do they do, please? Thanks for answering.
Marianne, thank you so much for jumping in and leaving a recording for us, for asking what is a great question. Now, to put it very simply, an agent is the actor's representative, right? So they represent the actor. They help the actor find work. They help them negotiate better terms within the contract, that being pay and that being condition, along with a few other things. Now, how does an agent get paid? This is very, very important, right? You should never, ever, 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 ever pay to join an agency. Never. That is the first sign that the agency could be a little bit dodgy, right? Never ever pay to join an agency. An agent or an agency will take a commission from the paid work that you get as their client, right? Or as their actor who is on their books. So that commission can vary, and look, generally speaking, it ranges from 10 to 20%. It can be slightly more than that if you're a niched agent, Gotta love Facebook and YouTube Live. So it can vary from 10 to 20%. It can be a little bit more than that if you're, with a bit of a niche agency. Now, just remember that if you do see someone who says, "Oh, I want to represent you. I think that you're going to be an amazing actor," have they ever seen you act? Question number one. And then they're probably going to say, "We have agencies all around Australia." Do they physically have those addresses, or are they just PO boxes? And then finally, are they asking for money up front? If they're asking for money up front, it's dodgy. Stay away. Well, there you go, Marianne. I hope that helps you and I hope that answers your question. If you liked this episode, then be sure to help out a fellow actor and click the share button. Do it right now. Click share, help out your fellow actor. If you are watching us here on Facebook, be sure to like and follow our page. And if you are watching us on YouTube, simply click subscribe and then be sure to hit the notifications bell. That way you're going to stay updated with everything as it comes out from us. If you are listening to this in the future on iTunes, then simply click subscribe and we will keep you updated as well. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me tonight. It's been an absolute pleasure. I will see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. for another amazing question answered by me, Lauren Johnson, here at Acting Classes in Perth. This is our daily show. Have yourselves a great night. Until I see you again soon, stay safe and happy acting.